Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to jump start BMW Z4 easy method. Park both cars close and set parking brakes, then open both hoods and locate the 12V battery or jump terminal. Identify positive and negative terminals and clear corrosion if present. Make sure both cars are not touching and that no one leans over the batteries. Follow the cable connection order carefully to avoid sparks and damage. Begin by attaching the red clamp to the donor positive terminal, then to the dead car positive terminal without letting clamps touch. Next, attach the black clamp to the donor negative terminal and a clean metal ground on the dead car away from the battery. Start the donor car and let it run for a few minutes to build charge, then try starting the BMW Z4 while monitoring for unusual noises or smoke. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and future tips. Quick recommendation: musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. See the description for the link and current deals to grab one for your garage or workshop. It's a fun, practical addition while you work on cars. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Once the BMW starts, remove clamps in reverse order: black ground, donor negative, dead positive, donor positive. Avoid rapid disconnection and keep clamps from touching. Let the car run for at least 15 minutes to help recharge the battery and drive gently to maintain charge. If you need jumps often, schedule a battery and alternator check, and consider replacing an old battery to prevent future roadside issues and ensure reliable starts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.